Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will demonstrate you how to master photo editing for free with Firefly AI and how to use Adobe's Generative Fill AI to edit your photos without downloading or using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and comment it's free, and be sure to let me know which video you would like next. To use the Adobe Generative Fill AI feature, you can easily visit the Adobe Firefly AI page. Click the Generate button, which is in the Generative Fill. Now click on Upload Image to upload your photo. Let's try using this Generative Fill AI to change the image background. To do that, click the Background button to remove the current background. Then describe prompt of what you want to generate. Click on Generate to start. Adobe Firefly AI will provide you with 4 options. To save your image, click on Download button in the top right corner. If you are not satisfied with the results, click on More button to generate new options. After the results, finish your current edit by clicking on Keep button, or if you want to create a new prompt, then click the Cancel button. Now let's edit an object in the photo. In this tutorial, we will change the t-shirt from the image. To do that, click on Remove button on the left side bar and click the Settings button to adjust the brush size. Now, remove the object from the image carefully. After that, click the Insert button and type your prompt according to your requirements for this Generative Fill command. Now let's add a new object to the photo using Adobe's Generative Fill AI. Click the Remove button and select the brush size from the Settings menu. In this example, I want to add an horror face on the wall, so I will create an oval area with the brush tool. You can choose the area and shape according to your requirements. After that, type your prompt in command bar. Click on Generate to start adding the new object to your image. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. Your support means a lot. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Bye.